trust didn't need banks, governments, or rating agencies. Today, centralized platforms decide who's credible, but biases, censorship, and manipulation make trust fragile. Now, imagine a reputation system powered by AI and built on blockchain. It learns from your actions, not from biased gatekeepers, immutable, transparent, decentralized. From finance to freelancing, your AI-driven reputation follows you open to all, controlled by none. Welcome to a world where AI builds trust, not control. Are you ready to own your reputation? Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our latest videos. Cheers for watching. See you next time.